We're continuing with reading The Deep Thought Strategy by Steve Lowell, and I want to cover one main element of the book that I think it makes more sense to illustrate it on a flip chart and see how you can see yourself becoming successful, becoming where you want to be, getting to the level you want to be with this concept. And Steve's called this the Repumeter, and I'm going to illustrate it for you. Number one in the Repumeter is basically what we call obscurity. Obscurity is where people don't know too much about you. People don't know what you do. People don't know what you're special. People don't know why they should deal with you. It's a place that usually when you are here, you're a beginner and people don't know too much about you. The next stage in the Repumeter is what Steve calls competitive. Now people know what you do, people know who you are, but they don't really know why you are different than the competition. What stands out about you that they should deal with you over dealing with the competition. The next stage in the Repumeter is branding. And this is something that when you are in branding, people in your industry know you already. They know what you are, what you do, and they know what's special about you. They know a lot more about you than they know in the obscurity stage and in the competitive stage. And then the fourth stage is where you really want to be, and that is what Steve calls the one. In this case, you don't have any competition anymore. You don't have to fight with anybody. You don't have to compete with anybody. People know what you are so special that they want to deal with you and they don't want to deal with anybody else. When somebody has a need for the product or service that you offer, they immediately recommend you because they know that you are the only logical choice for them. There is nothing in between, there is nothing else. So the question is, any place you are in this Repumeter, if you are not here, what do you need to do to fill up this gap to become the one? And then Steve talks in the book about this. When he represents the Repumeter in audiences, he would usually ask from the audience, can I see by a raise of hand who feels that they are the one? And usually no hands go up. But then when he asks, can I see by a raise of hand who in this room knows more or less where they are in this Repumeter? All hand goes up. And the question to you is, as you're reading along with us and we're trying to find what is our unique thing, what is our unique approach, unique service that we bring to the table, we want to ask from ourselves, where are we in this Repumeter and what do we need to do to become the one? And let's continue reading and let's dig in deeper into the Deep Thought Strategy to see what else we can find, how to become the one in our Repumeter, so our clients and our associates can identify us with how we want to be identified.